Hey ICS foodies, welcome to a new year. Have you been seeing sausages everywhere all around you and you don't know how to make one? Let me show you how to make it. You're going to measure 300 grams of flour and then you will measure 20 grams of sugar. You're going with 150 grams of butter, a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to combine this with your hands. Rub this gently until it forms a crumb. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, then you're going with 1 egg. This egg is going to serve as a binder to your dough. When you incorporate your egg in your mixture, you add in 2 tablespoons of water, and I used chilled water for this dough. Then you're going to combine this gradually until everything has been fully combined and your dough is well formed. Go ahead to roll this dough and make sure that your sausage is already ready. Okay, I bought some sausages from a supermarket nearby and blended my sausages. The sausage has already been spiced, so this is one sweetest thing about making sausage rolls. You can go to ShopRite and purchase sausages from ShopRite. You can use this to make your own sausage roll, and that is one good thing about this, because some of the sausages are already spiced and you don't need to, you know, add more spices to it, except you're using hot dogs. Then while blending your hot dogs, you can add in little spice, to taste, salt and seasoning cube. So I'm going to roll out my dough. uh Depending on how thick you want your sausage rolls to be. Okay, I didn't want mine so thin, so my dough was a little bit thick. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this so that the edges are smooth, because we are going to roll this and I will show you how to roll this. Okay, then what you're going to do is to fill in your sausage into your dough. Okay, fill in your sausage at the extreme end of your dough, fill it in, as much as you want it to be. This is one tasty snack that you can serve your guests at any time, and it doesn't take time to make. It is so easy to make. So what I'm going to do is to fill this in and then start folding it, trying to cover it up. The one easy way to seal the edge of your sausages is by applying a little bit egg to the edge so that it can seal properly. If you do not have egg to spare, you can use a little bit of water, just a little bit, so that the edges can seal up properly. So I'm just going to cover this up and divide this equally and bake. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for staying tuned and welcome to a new year. I'm excited to be back and I'm excited to have you on ground. Okay, and I'll be dropping more recipes soon. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing with you how to make some desserts and snacks you can enjoy at home with your family and friends. You can see how I'm cutting this out. This is so easy to make. Okay, so the whole goal of this is to get at least equal sizes of sausages, okay, or something like that. Just grease your pan, whatever pan you're using, grease your pan and bake until it is brown. You can see how amazing this looks. This came out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.